bonjour, konnichiwa, kemcho, kaifa. Hi, I'm Dr. Nagji, and welcome to Pregnancy Vancouver, your reliable one-stop shop resources for all things pregnancy. We've made the site easy to use, whether on a desktop or on a mobile, with clear navigation that helps you find the information you need right when you need it. You'll see different phases laid out from pre-pregnancy throughout the newborn period, so you can focus on what matters most right now. Whether you're looking for resources on nutrition, newborn care, postpartum support, it's all in one place. We know every pregnancy is unique, and that's why you'll see multilingual options and culturally diverse images, like our fun fruit module showing babies' growth in a playful way with fruit from around the world. We listened to community feedback to ensure our resources make sense for everyone in Vancouver. The essentials for each stage helps you stay on top of key milestones without feeling overwhelmed. You can choose a quick summary or explore more in-depth guidance as you go. At each stage, you'll find carefully curated information on decisions and planning, lab tests, healthcare visits, so you always know exactly what to expect along the way. So for example, here in early pregnancy, if you scroll down, let's say you say, I want to know what happens at a health check. You're able to get that information. Or tests and labs. It gives you a sense of what to look forward to. Let's say you're worried about your lifestyle or wanting to improve on that. Here are some tips and tricks for you along the way. Our resource hub pulls together everything from prenatal care tips to postpartum support, all in one spot. The Find a Maternity Provider map lets you see who's available in your neighborhood and even filter by language or hospital. So for example, if you say that you want to deliver at a specific hospital, St. Paul's, that's available to you. And with the additional filter of the language of your choice, say for example Hindi, that will help you see who's available to you in your region. You can also sign up for our email newsletter to receive updates tailored to your pregnancy stage, making sure you're always in the loop. Pregnancy Vancouver is a one-stop shop for your pregnancy journey with trusted information and local resources, all in one place. We hope you'll dive in, explore the essentials, and sign up for the newsletter for timely updates. We're here to help you feel confident and comfortable every step of the way. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we're wishing you health, happiness, love, and light on this journey. Shukran, merci, tashakkur bisyor ziad, gracias, danke, hosiam.